Hey guys, welcome to VRK Homemaker. Today I'm gonna share about a special video regarding the rain sound. Obviously, the rainy days are good for the soul. I really love falling asleep to the rain sound, and the sound of rain needs no translation. So, to show you the sound of the rain, I made this video and it was really raining very heavily near my house, so that is the reason I just made this video. And please watch and enjoy the sounds of the rain. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video of rain sounds and the breeze, the way it was raining so heavily, and it was so beautiful to watch on nature, I know. And who are watching me for the first time, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new notification, and please share this video, like this video. And let's catch up with a new video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye.